Looking to sell your meme coin using Phantom Wallet? Let's walk through the process together in few simple steps. For first, launch the Phantom Wallet on your device. Navigate to your wallet assets and tap on the specific meme coin you wish to sell. To convert your meme coin into fiat currency or any other currency, you will need to transfer it to a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that support your specific meme coin. Log into your chosen exchange account and locate the deposit address for the meme coin you are selling. In your Phantom wallet, there will be the option send and tap on that. Enter the exchange deposit address, specify the amount and confirm the transaction. Once the fund is arrive in your exchange account, navigate to the trading section. Now, sell your meme coin for your desired currency, whether it is another cryptocurrency or fiat. If you have converted the fiat currency, process to withdraw the fund to your linked bank account through the exchange withdrawal process. So, here is the important thing. Be aware of any fees associated with the transferring funds and executing trades. Now, second important thing, transfer and withdrawals may take some time to process depending on network conjunctions and exchange policies. And third important thing is to ensure you are using secure and reputable exchange to safeguard your assets. By following these steps, you can efficiently sell your meme coin using the Phantom wallet. Always stay informed and exercise caution when handling cryptocurrencies transaction. If this video you found very helpful, please subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.